Here guys, this is a Volvo truck, and this airbag needs to be changed because it's broke. Has a big air leak, so to take it out we'll have to take this airline out from here, this bolt right here, and there's one more right here. You can see it, right? Yep, this one. So it's really easy actually. I'm gonna show you how. So guys, to do this one you need a 18mm key. Start loosening up this one and that one like this, and the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but like I show you, it's right there. See that you can see I took it out to here. Took this one out also, all good. So if we're gonna push it down, it's gonna come out, but I'm unable to take this one out, so I'm gonna probably cut it right here because I have a lot of space. So anyway, I bought a new one. I'm gonna show you in a second. Basically, like I said, I bought this one because I knew it's gonna be a problem, and it's better to put a new one than an old one. I'm gonna show you the part number in the description so you can buy it. And this is the new one, also from Volvo. This is the part number if you need it. It's brand new, ownership. Okay, I'm gonna install it now. Actually, we need to take this one out first, cut it, and install this one. It's basically broke like this, popped up, I don't know why. So if you still have air in the system, you're gonna be able to put a new one in. Otherwise, you'll have to turn this one like this, lock it so the air doesn't go out from the system, and you're gonna build up some air in the system, so it's gonna be easier for you to install the new one. But I'm gonna be able to put it in because I still have the air in the system, so it should be good. Probably not, but it's gonna work. I installed the top one first. Make sure this hole is on this side, and now we're gonna just take it, push it up and put it in the right hole right there. I'll try to make it so you can see it. So basically like this. Okay. Now we're gonna put this one back. Put the other one. Make sure you put air only when everything is installed back in place. Screw this one in. We're gonna use 5.8 or 8, actually not 5.8. Turn it all the way back. This one faces front, so we can put this one back. So as you can see, everything's fine, everything perfect, tight. The last thing, just start the engine and pump some air, test for air leaks, and and we probably should be good. Peace. So we're now testing. And yeah, by the way, don't forget about this pin right here. It's on the air bag, and it should stay right here, like on this side. Good right now. Yeah. Oh, good. So that's it, guys. It took like 30 minutes, maybe less, to change it. It's really easy. Peace.